So guys, this is the Upstart stock. Since we know it's been down quite a bit, uh, and kind of sad to see this stock down so much. But yeah, so I've analyzed something, and I'm seeing some bullish momentum for this stock after it being down so much. So let's this is the weekly time frame. So the first time it took a beating, okay, it came down about 62%. The second time it took a beating, it came down about 50%. The third time it took a beating, it came down about 46%. Now this time around, from its all-time high, it has taken a beating of about 40%. Okay, so you can see the gaps are they are decreasing of the beating for Upstart. Now it has also created this rising wedge, and you can see the support trend line and the the resistance line. So whenever it got out of it, it always came back in this pattern. And you can see the 20 moving average, it has always respected it. Yeah, bounce again, we are on it, so hopefully we'll see a bounce. I mean, who knows, but if it respects it, we will see Upstart going up because the earnings weren't as bad. Okay, now if we go to the daily time frame, you can see the stock, the earnings came out 19th of somewhere around there. The stock was at this trend line. Now if we go to the stock RSI, it was bottomed out. So right after the earnings, we can see the stock took a big jump. Okay, now if we look at the second quarter earnings, the stock was again bottomed out close to the support line, and right after the earnings, the stock went up to the resistance line. Okay, third time around, the stock was again respected at this trend line, support line, and then it went up. Now the earnings were so good that the stock actually broke the resistance line and went right back up. So this time around, the earnings came out, the stock actually came back to the support line. Now RSI is oversold, stochastic, as you can see, is bottomed out. There is a chance we might see maybe a correction, but the chart is telling me that it might just go higher. Of all the technical analysis this chart is telling me, I don't know, you tell me, but I did put a small position over here. Thank you. And it's my first TA, so give me your feedback. What do you think?